Hi, my name's James and welcome to Slim's Detailing Shop based here in Enfield.
I'm Jake, we're here today to tell you what's happening on open day on the 13th of April.
I'm Jack, we've got loads of discounts in store, here's what to expect.
This open day we are proud to have the team from Roots here to go through any questions you may have. We have also got some cracking deals on all the Roots ancillaries and polishers.
We've also got 15% off Angel Wax. We're proud to say the team are going to be here to answer any questions. They are my favourite brand, particularly the Enigma Wax. Supreme gloss, extreme durability, easy application, you really can't go wrong.
Finally, we'll have 15% off all our own Slim's branded ancillaries, with tools and equipment being priced up on a day. We look forward to seeing you all on the 13th of April.